You know Christmas.
Hey player, what you gonna get her for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on, come on, come on.
12 days of Christmas. Day 9, I think. Whatever day it is, it's a continuation from yesterday. Remember yesterday I said it's going to be a cook with me? Well, today is going to be cook with me, go to work with me. I ended up chasing hand soap yesterday. If y'all watching this vlog, then I know y'all seen yesterday's vlog. And, I mean, the soap was free. I have a hand soap addiction. I'm just asking y'all, please don't judge your girl. Oh, over there, y'all can see I have my phone in my hand. I'm vlogging from my phone. That's my filming setup. We might do a vlogmas behind the scenes over there. Maybe. Back to all my free soap. Yes, that's 20 bottles of soap. Okay, what I ended up doing, you all, my pot with the smoked turkey neck. I got super sleepy last night, so I just came and turned the pot off. And, you know, just turning it back on so the turkey necks can get nice and tender, which I'm on the way to work. And it only makes sense that we put the lima beans in the crock pot. Now, remember last night I had them soaking in water. That just makes them faster to cook and make the beans more tender. And we're going to put it on low and slow and get ready to go to work, y'all. For some reason, I like vlogging like with no makeup on, like just me and the camera. But what, child, you know when you in the South, in the deep South, when you got beans and cornbread, you feel me? Now, my infamous cornbread, y'all see back there, that's 2 boxes of Jiffy Mix, half and half, sugar, the 2 eggs, sour cream, melted butter, and real honey. Now, this ain't one of them cakey cornbreads where you stand, when you cut it, it stand up on its own. She is nice and soft and tender and moist, and she gets the party popping. Hence, that's why my family always asks me to make it and bring it. But I just told y'all the secret ingredient is the sour cream and the melted butter. Trust me on that. So I've drained the water off of the beans, and this probably is only going to cook in 4 hours because the beans are already soft and tender. And my smoked turkey neck is just going to get even more tender, you know, and disintegrate throughout the whole soup or whatnot. This is lovely with a soup, like if you trying to stay away from a lot of carbs and not do rice. But of course, you know, we do rice in South Carolina. But another thing too, so in my parents' generation, you know, all the Southern cooks, they add meat to everything, all down to the veggies and whatnot. But it's a lot of pork meat, you know, and with diabetes, obesity, high cholesterol, and all of that, soul food can still be good and not take away the essence of it. I know my generation, my sisters, them, and me, we try to do more turkey. So the smoked turkey neck or smoked turkey wing would be perfect versus the smoked neck bone. Anybody from the South, y'all understand what I'm saying.
It is cold as hell out here and it's called for snow. I am dedicated to the hustle, y'all. I got my 2 things of diet lemonade, my butter, my nature seasoning, my canned pineapples, and these was Evic special, $1.97. So I had to come get my goodies. And I got something else.
I really came over here to grab me some coffee, hot chocolate, or something from the Starbucks inside here, but the Starbucks was just closing as I got in here at 7, y'all. But make no mistake about it, Mama walked out with another $25 Bath and Body Works gift card, and let me show y'all proof. So as y'all can see right here, my total came to $9.04, and I got $30-something in savings. And the last thing is the Bath and Body gift card right here for $25. So, but if y'all follow me by now, y'all know that's how I hustle. What I do all day, and I keep primarily the makeup section together. They always put me over here in the makeup area, but that's okay because I catch everything that's on sale. Like, look, All Out Wet n Wild. Nice, right? Might send some out for Christmas gifts. So I am home from work and it smells so delicious in here, y'all. This is the cornbread mix, eggs, half and half, sour cream, sugar, and melted butter, and some honey. I'm going to pour that in this dish and let it bake up and check on the beans and get ready for bed because Mama got to work in the morning. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Y'all, when I walked in the house, this is what the house smelled like, and they nice and tender and they cook. Look at all that smoked turkey, and as it sits, the broth is going to thicken up, and that's what we like down in the cornbread is out the oven, and that butter is just a sizzling in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or y'all can hear that. And I'm going to take the top and drizzle with some leftover ooey gooey, that sticky buttery flavor. And y'all, she is all done, and your girl going to bed because again I gotta work in the morning. So we'll do 12 days of Christmas, day 8. I'm lost, to be honest, y'all. I don't know what day I'm on, but thank y'all for rocking.